Hi, this is Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is about a back boiler. We don't do much back boilers, but here's another one for you guys who are new in the industry. And I'm going to talk about the gas valve on this particular back boiler, and I want to discuss about this. So it's a 3-position like switch or knob which turns. Look at this line here. This is in line with the flame. That means the burner's on, ready for ignition. The top one is to light the pilot spark, and the other one is for off. So I've turned it to the pilot position, and you can push this in like that, and at the same time you press igniter. That allows you to light the pilot. That position is off. That turns the pilot off. So sometimes you get a bit of confusion. Some people, well, they can't do it yet because they've got to let the solenoid click before can reset it and turn it to the pilot. I now can turn it because it's now reset. Now, what happens sometimes, people put in that position to light the pilot. Like I said, you hold it in 30 seconds, click it and release it, and then they forget to turn it to that position, and then to turn it on and it doesn't fire up because they forgot to turn it to that position. So once you lit the pilot, that's what you got to do, turn it to the on position, what you can see now. So that's on this particular gas valve, SIT-Gasventil like this. So watch out for that and you won't make that mistake.